Hey.
You were super fast.
Yeah.
I literally just opened my beer.
Yeah. Incredible track, and look at the tire. Check this.
Oh shit. Wait, you got a good thing or a bad thing? Do it again.
It happened, I guess, a bit more than halfway in, probably 3/4 in. I felt it all of a sudden. I knew what happened, and for me, that's a classic problem with the Tubliss half a moose. Sooner or later, it's so likely that you get a puncture, which I did right now. So the air that was inside the tire, it went out, and I only had, you know, a wobbly tire to get on with, but I had an awesome ride. I can't believe how easy it was to ride this bike today.
Oh, I'm so glad.
Yeah, we fixed the suspension with the guys up from Master Bike, and just softened it up a little bit because it's a brand new bike and I want it to be competitive quickly.
Good bike. Good rider. You were super fast. You're right behind the pros.
I passed some of them.
Yeah, I think you're the fourth pro. Just can't. There's not a lot.
Yeah. Well, it was an easy track, and I had a great tire before that happened. It was a used Metzler Super Soft, but that compound is just really good.
Good.
Bike was easy to ride. What are you doing? You're gonna fall.
No, I'm trying to like get you with the final. That's why I'm kind of riding your bike. Oh yeah.
So yeah, good. And I was battling with some of the silver riders for a bit. They caught up to me. I can't put my helmet up, so I'm gonna talk like this. Some of the guys in my category, I passed those that started in front of me, and then some other ones came up. We all got lost pretty early on. It was really easy to get lost or overshoot. And I think some of the better silver riders, they saw us getting back on track, caught up. I'll see it on the GoPro on the rear view camera. And then they're going back and forth with me a couple of times until at some point I dropped them, and there was a guy behind me for a long time revving, and I didn't know if it was Silver guy or a guy or whatever. So eventually at a checkpoint I let him by, and I saw he had number 18 on the bike. And then we get to the tunnel, and I thought immediately after he passed me, he's not going fast enough to be in front, because now he's leading, so he's more slow because he needs to navigate. So in the tunnel I passed him and 3 other riders because I had good light this time.
Ooh.
Payback from that year when I did not have any light and I lost so many places.
I remember.
So yeah, it was really nice.
Oh,
I really
good.
enjoyed the ride. I don't know how this happened. I'll figure that out. Gotta fix my tire. The bike ran superb. I was really enjoyed riding.
Vive le bleu!
Vive la France!
Woohoo!
Here we go! Adios! What's up? Nice track, here we go! Sound good? Don't want to risk it too much here. Here's the first guy. Alright, I'm feeling some arm pump in my right arm. I think I'm holding on. little bit too tight. What's going on here? Off camber. Loosen up my hands a little bit, loosen the fingers. Get some blood flow. Take it easy. Don't risk it. So that was bronze pass going to the left with the green markers. Everybody else goes here. Here's another rider. Thank you very much. This is not the way, huh? This is not the way. It's not the way. Wrong way. Move. Haha. Slippery grass right there. Alright, starting to develop some serious arm pump in my right hand. I try to stretch my fingers as much as I can right now in the downhills. Bike's running great. Suspension working awesome. Gotta go this way. Good power, good handling. I am happy with this Sherco 300 2021. I'm running a 1352 gearing. I remember this section now. We're getting into a river. Might be with or without water, who knows. Okay, going down here today. It's cool. Okay. Oh, I don't like these leaves. You never know what's underneath. Survived. Stretching my fingers. Hard on the brakes. I can hear someone's behind me. Somebody's wanting to get filmed. Probably another expert rider. I mean, who else would it be? Merci. That was a close call. So warm today. Check it off. There's still a guy right behind me as far as I can hear. He must be taking advantage of the free guiding. I would have done the same probably if I liked the speed of the guy in front of me, which I guess he does. he hasn't signaled that he wants to overtake. No honking the horn, no revving the bikes, no taking chances sticking in front wheeling on me. So I'm assuming that he's happy. Whoever he is, I'll see you on the GoPro hopefully. Nice little hill climb. Stay on the track. You never know. You never know what's in the grass. Wrong way. Haha! I revealed them. Or following me, and they did the same mistake. Not the best marking right there. Could be more aggressive, to be honest. That's all right. We're still doing it. We're in the game. Riding our motorcycles in Romania. What's not to like? It's quite hard to pass, so they had a really good chance at passing me right there, but they didn't. That's all right. They still have the benefit of chilling behind me, capitalizing on my mistakes, except for that one I just did there. Well, it caught them off guard too. Everything happens quite fast sometimes. There you go. Good job. You got me. Fair and square. Now it's my turn to see if I can hang on to him. 107. Big rock in the grass. I don't want to jinx it, but the chances that he'll make a similar mistake, I'll pass it back somehow, unless he is a lot faster than me. There he just made a mistake. I capitalized on that.